there! If we haven't met yet, my name is Sarah and I'm the mom next door. Today I'm going to show you how to make a whipped coconut oil body butter using just coconut oil and essential oils. While this product does contain oil because it's made primarily out of coconut oil, your skin absorbs it pretty fast, so it doesn't stay greasy and oily on your skin for a long time after you use it. I love using it the most at night before bedtime. I wash my face really good and I put the coconut oil on my face and on my hands. Stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'll give you a free recipe card that you can take a screenshot of and save for future reference. The first thing you do is you just put some coconut oil in a bowl. You don't have to measure. It doesn't matter how much you use. Just use as much as you want to make some lotion. Then use an electric mixer. If you have a KitchenAid, you could turn it on and just walk away. If the coconut oil is really hard, it might be awkward to blend it first, but just keep going. Eventually, it'll start breaking up and get smooth. You may need to grab a spatula to scrape coconut oil down the sides of the bowl, and then keep going. Once you've mixed the coconut oil enough that it's super smooth and fluffy and creamy, then you can add a couple drops of essential oil. I like to use just plain lavender oil. You could add a couple drops for a light scent, or you could add more if you want a stronger scent. After adding the essential oil, then mix it again for a few seconds, and then you're done. It's as easy as that. Find a small container to put your new coconut oil body butter in and enjoy. This coconut oil body butter is light and fluffy and makes a great moisturizer for your hands, your face, and your body. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you found this video helpful, I invite you to like and subscribe.